mobile app installation and mobile app engagement.
Through Google AdWords.
Through Google AdWords.
Yes.
Before starting, why mobile? Why not web? PC based marketing? Because according to recent data, more and more people are shifting towards mobile and using this device than other tablet or PC. So the reach for any company targeting mobile ads is very large rather than PC or tablets.
So you mean to say nowadays the trend of people accessing mobile or trying to access app is increasing, and that becomes very important for us to take seriously the mobile targeting options through Google AdWords. This is what your point is. Okay.
And adding to that, the recent data shows that there are over 1.6 million apps in the Play Store, Google Play Store.
Okay, very nice.
And from that, another recent trend is that the total revenue, total investment in Google only mobile AdWords in US is around 4.6 billion, which is stated to increase by 2019 to 6.8 billion. From this data, we can just guess that the enormous opportunity and reach that this mobile ads has for any company. So
very nice.
Starting about the mobile app installation. Mobile app installation mostly it can be done in search network in web-based services, non-mobile devices also, because the persons searching for any query or any services, it can also directly install the app from laptop or PC also, unlike mobile also, and from there it's there the link of the application is given in the search query, and that directly leads it to the Play Store application in Google, another tab where it can the app automatically gets installed in the mobile when it is connected to the internet. And other way it's marketing the mobile app for installation is that in mobile we can directly
get the installation
marketing the digital display ads and or video ads. For one the trending technique for advertising the mobile apps is now the rewarding videos. So what companies do is the in games or any services, they ask to see the video or install the ads in case of some rewards or some virtual points. That increases the
number of installations
for the host app, as well as the it's also increases the customer base of the app that is promoting it. So it is one way of the companies are not marketing their applications. Another way they is simple display ads in other
third-party sites.
Third-party sites, and one more thing that I found it in the today is that one paid install in mobile app leads to three organic three organic installs.
Means I didn't understand that one.
So we are promoting the application in paid.
So for example, so let's say for example, I am e-market education. I have an app for myself. So let's say I did the promotion through Google AdWords. Okay, so a user will come and he will search for, let's say, some digital marketing training courses. He will find my ad on his mobile and it will be saying download the application of e-market education.
That is we are getting that customer conversion we are getting for paid ads.
Okay.
But that paid ads through its network and contacts, I don't know it's actually happening or not, but I came it through it.
Okay.
Through his network and contacts, his contact members also may means it will directly be promoted in their contact members' phone also. So that can also means indirectly it's assurity cannot be given that they will be converted, but chances will be increased.
But how is that actually happening here? So let's say I install, you may say whatever the contacts I have it.
That what happens in suppose I am installing an Amazon app. So regularly they ask for reviewing the application.
Okay.
So
Okay.
when I review the application,
Oh, yeah.
my review will always show in the top whenever I visit Amazon app page for installation.
Okay.
So
Okay.
when suppose Krishna says that Siddhartha has reviewed, so he knows someone who has reviewed.
Okay.
So instead of showing someone who is not aware of Krishna is not
Okay,
connected.
okay.
So that adds to the more
Oh, I
chances
think
of
Krishna, that's a very good thing, because what Siddharth is saying here, he's saying that I installed the app and I gave a review for it. When any of my friends who are in my contacts, when they go and do the same search, they will see me
My
in
review
the
first.
review. So that creates a closeness, and that creates a sort of satisfaction to the given person, saying that okay, my friend has installed, so even I should go ahead and install it.
And,
Okay.
and one more thing is that in mobile app installation paid ads, it's more important to go for attribution reports rather than just general reports, because more chances of the customer being converted in the first ad that is being seen on the third party side is very less, rather than that increases the awareness, because see in today trend is that most applications they promote in the rewarding manner. So branding is very much done in that manner, means awareness is created. So at a later stage, the chances are that it will he or she will get converted, but the keyword or the topic or placement that the report will show is that something else. But if we go for attribution reports, we actually can see the network that actually led to the conversion.
Correct.
And one more thing in that mobile application is that unlike web-based or PC-based, laptop-based ads, in mobile application you cannot actually track the conversions, because your cookies are disabled in
Google Play Store.
Play Store and application, that Apple Safari. So for
iOS.
iOS. For that purpose, two new softwares have been developed by Apple and Google. That is, new techniques. Apple's IDFA and Google's advertising ID. What it does that when an ad is shown to the consumer and the person clicks on that, advertising ID or IDFA is created. That automatically redirects the person to the application store or the iOS store. Okay. After that, the person, if he or she installs the application, then after opening the if he or she installs the application from the clicking the ad, and he opens the ad, then the advertising ID gets triggered. If he doesn't open the application after clicking that, then advertising ID doesn't trigger. So we can track the conversion through that, not by cookies.
Very nice.
And mobile app engagement is for mobile app engagement, it's very much important that we should have deep linking techniques should be there in the application.
Okay.
That will redirect directly to the specific page that the customer is looking for, and that can be done either in the laptop-based services or in the mobile browser also.
Okay. All right. Very nice. I think that ID thing what you told for the Google conversion tracking, okay, Android tracking, like tracking, or let's say iOS tracking, that's something very nice. And where do you think, like, who should be more focused on this? And that's another one point what you said is, like, if one person converts, that also leads to two more people actually downloading the app, correct? That is the second point what you said. And any other best practices you feel out of the mobile app targeting, whether for installation or engagement through Google AdWords, any other benefits or any other best practices you feel?
Sir, one good thing is that most in India, even though the strategy backfired, but most companies are trying to close their websites and go to applications.
Okay.
So that's because maintaining both things simultaneously was a costly affair. Because even though they are getting a huge traffic from mobile sites,
Okay.
but at the same time, the internet penetration in India is not that high. So that is why they had to backtrack to the website also.
Okay.
But in international, if we see, most companies are going towards mobile only. They are closing their websites. So
Okay.
in future, that can be the mobile ads can have a
More scope or
yes, over the
period of time. Okay. Thank you very much, Siddharth. Thank you.